Here in the Asian mess hall now. This is the serving. Oh, the jelly. Nice. And then the vegetable with corns. Yup. And today egg. What is the name of this menu?
Egg curry.
Egg curry. Wow, egg curry.
Wow. 2 egg
Yeah,
curry.
it's too much hot. And chili with celery. Also this one. Wow. Potato with celery in the tops. There are toppings with too much chili. Ooh, so hot. Also dal. Wow, wow, wow. Nice. You see? If you like it. This is the main course today. Voila. Wow. Ooh la la. And this one for the Filipino, sorry, is what is called this? Apretada. Chicken apretada. Ooh. La la, nice. And ginisang cabbage. And soup also with chicken, with egg and vermicelli. Yup. So this one, very delicious, very tasty. Ooh la la, nice.
Ooh la la.
Wow. So that our main course is here. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, comment, and thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.